Unlock the smart lock like Iron Man. Fast, secure, seamless. Powered by TCL AI palm vein recognition. Your privacy, your control. Get instant alerts directly to your phone, ensuring you're always informed for peace of mind.
Wait, sweetie. Don't forget your watch and your jacket. Have fun.
Whether you leave or close the door, enjoy hassle-free auto-locking. Powered by a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, always on guard. Laser matte excellence. Waterproof, weatherproof. D2 Pro is built for year-round endurance. Built-in doorbell, press to announce. Hear the ring, know who's there.
Alexa, open the front door.
Mom, can you open the door for me?
Okay.
Busy? Tap to grant access remotely.
Hey!
Alexa, is the front door locked?
Yes, your front door is locked.
TCL D2 Pro Smart Lock. Unlock with ease. Trust in safety. TCL, Worldwide Olympic Smart Door Lock Partner.